guys, and welcome back. And today, we'll be talking about Spin Master Green Alien Invasion. Let's see I have there, right there. But I mean one of them. But I mean the Gravedigger one with the cool mud tires on it. But I mean the PKTY truck and everything more. Here's Green Alien Invasion. Oh my god! Oh my god! I didn't see that. Sorry about that. I have to adjust the tablet so it doesn't get dropped. Hold on a second. There we go. So, here's a green version of Alien Invasion. He has the white tires. He has a rooftop right there. And here's a cool, like an Iron Man version. And let's see here it is. Here's a rubber band so I can fit on my hand, as you can see. And here's a poster of it. As you can see, there's a mushroom poster. I mean my Gravedigger with illumination tires. I mean Magtro Neon Dragon. Heroes vs. Villains Trucks Batman. Legacy Trucks Social Fortune Black Ops. World Virus Bounty Hunter. Reckless Trucks Savage. Your favorites, Racing Kane. I have Invasion Trucks, Alien Invasion, the green on it. And finally, the white trucks, BKT, going together. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Over and out.